Hi everyone, I am Yasuka and it's time for Massage Monday. The flu season started early and it has been pretty bad this year. Massage sounds good to get rid of these toxins like flu, doesn't it? So should you get massage when you're sick with flu? The answer is no for several reasons. First, it's not very comfortable to lie face down on the massage table. Even if you're healthy, many people get stuffy nose or runny nose after facing down for a while, which is normal. When you already have clogged nose or runny nose, it will be torturous for you to lie face down for a long period of time. And it's not very relaxing having to blow your nose constantly. Yes, you can breathe from your mouth, but then you have to constantly worry about drooling. Second, massage does have a detox effect, but it's more like massage initiates the detox process. Your body still has to work to get rid of those toxins. When you get a massage while you're already fighting the flu, you will feel sicker and more tired from the extra toxins released from your body. And your body has to work harder to get rid of those toxins. If you have a fever, massage may make you go higher from an improved circulation. Finally, you shouldn't get massage when you're sick with flu because massage therapists don't want to get sick. Massage is a manual labor, and if we're sick, we can't work. If we can't work, we can't make money. We cannot telecommute or work from home remotely. Flu spreads by airborne transmission. The massage room is usually small and confined, and we don't want to be trapped in a contaminated air for like 60 minutes or 90 minutes at a time. Also, we may be in the best position to spread the flu because our profession is based on touch, and touch is a sure way to spread the flu. Of course, we wash our hands after each client, but there's no way we can sanitize everything you touch or retouch in between clients, especially at a commercial settings like spas. Oh, and in commercial settings like massage places, it's a manager's nightmare to find the coverage for sick therapists during busy time like after holiday season when we are packed with people redeeming gift certificates. So if you're sick with flu, it's best to stay home and let your body heal and restore. If you already have a massage appointment, please don't just cancel, but please reschedule for yourself, your massage therapist, and other clients. In the meantime, you can try these acupressure points to alleviate the flu symptoms, such as runny nose and sore throat, and I'll put the link below. And please go get your massage after you're all better, and it's a great way to reward your body for fighting hard. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe.